what's your name and where are you from?
So my name is Igor and I'm from Ukraine and I'm ready to get my hair cut.
Okay, so we get ready.
Hi guys, nice to see you again. Welcome back to Chris Choker channel, the only one and just only one channel that provide hair dressing model more than 50 countries from all over the world. Here on this video I show you the barbering techniques. First, we use the clipper combs number 2 to cut all over the side and on the back, and then we use clipper over comb number 1 to cut the bottom side of the sides and back. Blend everything completely, make really good gradation, and the most important of the barbering technique is cutting on the side and back. Once they are all created, the rest will be so easy. And then we do a clipper over comb technique to blend everything, the top sides and the sides, to connect them, and to connect all the layer, the existing layer of the side and on the top, and make it slowly, little by little. And on the top we do clipper over comb technique to reduce the length of the hair and fit to this style. And for texturizing, we use thinning shear to create the texture volume and to reduce the volume and dynamic texture. To line up from the front side, on the side, and back another side. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe this video, because subscribe is worth it for me and subscribe is always free. And please don't forget to share, comment and like about this video. And see you again next time for another video. Thank you for watching this video guys.
How do you like your haircut?
Yeah, that's good haircut. Thank you very much, Mr. Chris.
Okay, so can I upload this video to my YouTube channel?
Yes.
Okay. Please say, Snip, Snap.